Hello and welcome to our first episode. Thank you for joining us. Today, we are preparing a salmon and creamy green skillet.
Why? Because of Popeye. That's why.
Popeye The Sailor Man was my all-time favorite cartoon.
Mom encouraged me to watch this show because Popeye motivated me to eat spinach.
And that, my friends, is the only reason I ever ate spinach. Anyways, I did my best to incorporate spinach to this recipe and a bunch of other ingredients as well that might make you very powerful and strong, just like Popeye. Okay, let's shop for ingredients. First up, salmon. Order 1 pound. If your fish doesn't weigh exactly as requested, that's totally fine. Nothing in this world is perfect.
Except me.
Grab your cream cheese. Also, go check out Arkouda Digest. Get your latest unbiased news. Now go for the spinach and kale.
And gang, it is time to mise en place.
It is French for what Popeye might refer to as getting everything ship ready. So, slice your salmon into 4 pieces. Side note, this recipe requires Béchamel and Pipicha Oil.
Links in the description below.
Anyways, no need to get fancy with the flamboyant sea salt. Table salt works just fine. It's totally cool.
Uh-huh, honey.
But seriously, I included salmon into this recipe because, Popeye is a sailor, so I just kind of thought maybe he eats fish. Anyways, using freshly ground black pepper, though, makes a huge difference. To be honest, I don't remember much about Popeye. He must have been so healthy from all that spinach, right? You see me with a protein bottle.
Because I plan on exercising someday.
But in the meantime, I'm using it to shake my Pipicha oil. And I'm about to measure 2 tablespoons of the Pipicha oil. What I do remember,
He had a great heart.
whoop, there it is. And it's time for the leafy greens. They're great for the heart. Okay, I know the recipe calls for 2 cups of kale and 2 cups of spinach.
Whatever that means.
Just grab 2 bunches of each. The amount does not have to be 100% accurate. It's time for the Philadelphia cream cheese.
My dog was barking, so I was trying to sound hood.
If you have a cream cheese brick of 8 ounces, you can slice it in half for this recipe. And you slice it into smaller cubes. And last but not least, the Béchamel. Make some beforehand and then just freeze it into cubes. So here we are with few but quality ingredients. We're now ship ready.
Let's get